Hi Crypto Kings and Queens, welcome to my channel. In today's episode, we're looking at this crucial level that we are at right now on both BTC and on Ethereum, and we are trying to break above the resistance that we've been seeing the market give us a drop from the previous time we came up here, and this could potentially be a double top. So we have to have in mind on the lower time frames what the market is actually doing. If we're using the 1 hourly on Ethereum, we are at this moment retesting the previous resistance that we did have before the fake out, which means that it can take us down from here, but we're also using this level at 1698 to see if we have the power to break above it, give us a higher low, a continuation to the higher targets. This is why it is so important for us to have in mind around these levels. This is where you can see the market be very choppy and fake a lot of people out, and this is the reason why you should look at my videos and I can explain to you exactly how we can use these levels for our own good. Remember, I am no financial advisor. You need to look up everything yourself first, but please continue looking at this video and I'll show you exactly what I see right now on BTC and Ethereum and what we can have in mind so we're not getting faked out. And if you are someone that is looking for a great platform to trade cryptocurrencies on, then I got some good news for you. You can right now receive a bonus on BYBIT up to $30,030 by using the link in the description down below the video that you're looking at right now. This is for everyone that wants to have a great platform to trade on when it comes to cryptocurrencies. This is also where you have zero fees when it comes to spot pairs, and you have low fees while you're holding your positions for a longer time. You got everything that you need on the same chart, and you have right here what type of currencies that you want to trade, so you pick and choose your favorite coin. And when you have your cryptocurrencies and you are in profit when it comes to trading, what you also can do is that you can right now receive 200 Kasta by depositing $20 by signing up through my link that I have. Kasta is a platform where you can send cryptocurrencies, which is really good because you are using BYBIT to trade the cryptocurrencies, and then you are sending the cryptocurrencies on Kasta. And when it comes to Kasta, you are sending cryptocurrencies for free and instant. So claim the base bonus available right now on BYBIT up to $30,030, and download the Kasta app right now and send your cryptocurrencies for free and instant. We're starting off by looking at Ethereum. What we can see the market is doing at this moment, it is of course 2 days left before the market does have the weekly close, but today we just might potentially see the market close above the Fibonacci level at 1675. We're going down to the daily chart, and you can see how the market did reverse down a little bit, but now we have the power to break above. So this is actually a really good confirmation if the market does close above it. Of course, we have the next candlestick that's gonna show us if the market will close inside of this level once again and continue back down to potentially 1570. But this is a good confirmation that we have on Ethereum right now if you're looking for the bullish momentum happening. Another thing that we have is that the market did break above this resistance level one more time, and you can clearly see how the market so perfectly came back up and broke this level. We can see more on the lower time frames how we had the retest of this trend line that you can see. We can even go down to the 1 hourly chart to the 30 minutes, and yeah, you can see how the market broke above it. We saw the market close below, but then if we're just taking another Fibonacci level, you can also see, yes, this looks amazing. You can also see how the market gave us a high. We retested a 50%, all of the take profits got hit, and this is where we're at right now in the market. So if we are continuing to focusing what's happening on the lower time frames, what we also can see is that we have this previous resistance right here around 1720, but we still have to see the resistance level that we did have before this fake out, or I would say, yes, I would say fake out. So we have this box here too now between 1700 1685, and you can see how the market is respecting this level at the moment at around 1698 if we want to be precisely, which means that the market can definitely drop down from here because we're retesting the previous resistance level. But this is also giving us the next confirmation, or this is where we could see the market giving us the next confirmation if we find the strength to continue to higher targets. So at this moment, what we're seeing at Ethereum is the beginning of the market giving us the next big momentum happening to the upside, or if this will be where we actually see the market have the drop. And you can see how we are facing this resistance at this moment, but everything is a waiting game, I would say. If we can also take some other Fibonacci levels that can guide us through in the near future what could potentially happen. So we're just dragging a Fibonacci from the last low to the high, which gives us now Fibonacci levels down at 1677, 1670. This will be where the market will show us what direction it will take. If the market pulls back down, retest this level, give us a retest from above. Based on this fib that we have, take profit 1 could be around 1725, take profit 2 1760, and take profit 3 1790. But this is only, of course, if we see that the market on Ethereum does have the power to hold this as a support. But if the market is breaking below it and we're retesting the Fibonacci levels from below, well, that can give us the next confirmation that we are heading down to lower targets. So this is a really good level that we're at right now. I know a lot of people want the market to continue to the upside, but we have to wait and see how the market is going to behave around here, because we are facing the resistance and we have a lot of fake out candlestick that can appear around this level. So that is why it's really good that we have this in mind now. We are in a very good level where the market will show us what direction Ethereum will take soon. Same on BTC, what we're doing at the moment. If we're just zooming in, you can also see how we have this previous resistance that the market tried to break, and we saw the market retested one more time, and we actually had the power to break above it. This is on the daily chart, but we are still inside the resistance. We have this previous resistance. You can see if we're just taking one line here at 25,237, this was where the market came back up exactly and retested this level. I want to go down to the 1 hourly chart. So what we also need to do now, based on that the market did actually break below the higher low level, which means that this level that we have at this moment between 24,645 and 24,790, this will be where we see the market either give you the retest from below and it just might take us back down. Remember, because this can be a fake out and it can take us back down once again, or this will also be where you see the market create the next higher high, and that will potentially give us the next momentum to the higher targets. Remember that we're looking at this is the Fibonacci level that we have at 25,790, which means that this will also be a level where we can see the market potentially try to break and then see the market close below. So the same thing on each and every chart that we're looking at right now. We are facing the resistance levels at the moment, which means that this can be where we see the market have another drop, but of course this can also be where you see the market reach higher targets, as I spoke on yesterday's video. So for the people that do not know, yes, the market goes up and down, but we have to know from what levels the market is doing that against, and we are in a crucial zone at this moment, and this will be where a lot of people will get faked out, because a lot of people can start to sell the market here and a lot of people can start to buy the market here, and the market is just in between, and this could be where the market just consolidate, give you some real breakout to the upside, and then from nowhere you see how the market is just breaking below it once again. So the people that is buying the market can get faked out. And for the people that just might sell the market right now and don't have the patience to wait for the market to give us the confirmation to what direction the market will go to, well, then if they go short in the market at this moment, you just might have that spike up, take your stop loss, then you see the big drop. I'm waiting patiently to see what the market's gonna give me on around these levels, because it's definitely gonna give us some really good confirmations pretty soon on what's about to happen on BTC. Thank you everyone for looking at this video together with me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification so you know when I am live next time and when I do have my daily updates. I appreciate each and every one of you that have been looking at it. Have a great day everyone. Love you. Bye.